Here we have a very cute duck and her ducklings. Well, these ducklings are quite big, so they must be a few weeks old. So there is, let me just count them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little ducklings. So now we have cygnets, and as you can see there are 6 cygnets here. Now these aren't the babies that I watched hatching. Well, you probably know that because it was only turned out there was only 2 babies left, so these are another family. So they're all huddled together for the heat. They're very cute. Oh, look at this, we have a wee blue tit, and it has brought a caterpillar into the nest. This is an unusual nest for me. I've never seen this before. I don't know if you have, but yeah. It's quite busy around this area as well. Here we have a swallow feeding her babies. Look how fluffy looking they are. You can also see here the adult collecting the fecal sac, which is the baby bird's poo. In this clip we have 2 young moorhens. Their diet consists of seeds, grass, water plants and insects. Oh, look at this young robin. Now, in this clip we have the pochard duck and their young ducklings. Look at the young ducklings diving into the water in search for food. Now, in this clip we have the male chaffinch feeding the young chaffinch. Got a nice close up here of the female mallard and 2 ducklings. So a few weeks later I went to check back on the swallows, and looks like one has fledged the nest.